My name is Betsy Garrold, and I'm a worker owner here at the Fedco Seed Cooperative. I have worked in almost every branch of the company. Right now I am doing facilitation work, which is our customer service work. That was bred by Frank Morton, who was one of the founders of the OSSI movement, which is one of the reasons that we chose it. He crossed Mizspoona, which is Asian green mustard. He crossed it with tatsoi, which is a milder Asian green, and that's where the name came from. Because it's a good season extender, it's a great crop to plant in the fall, so that you get fall greens. You can plant it in cold frames, and it will come back up early in the spring, so you get an early spring green. It's also very well adapted to container growing, which is why we chose it for this particular project, because we knew the students would be growing, a lot of them would be growing in containers on their windowsills, and this is a particularly good variety for that. It's a salad green. It's meant to be a salad green, but it can also be braised, which I love to braise greens personally. It's my favorite way to eat kale. It would be a great way to eat this particular green. And braising just means that you gently wilt it in some olive oil and garlic, and then pour water over it and let it finish cooking in the water. And that's a really good way to